on the gel cat eyes, the Glitz newest gel cat eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna apply it all over the nails. You need extra more, absolutely. You can add some more. I think that can wipe it off. It's really nice and thick density, so I'm gonna blend it. And I'm folding the no wipe top coat on the top. Hey Yamils, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello everyone, thank you, and happy Thursday. Hope you all have a fabulous Thursday. So I'm gonna floating the no wipe top coat between the no wipe top coat and the condensed glue gel. We grab all the crystal and charm and chains stay in one place. So I have this beautiful metals. You can still see beautiful the effects. And then I'm gonna add some placement on. And I'm gonna tuck it right the SS8 right in between and get some frame.
Oh, it's like a blue owl.
You think?
Uh-huh.
You're always thinking everything is owl.
That
What's
was
that?
like the owl with a big eye, wear a crown, and make a big pendant.
Okay, good imagination.
Uh-huh. Let me know in the comment you feel the same.
I'm gonna continue using my Colonna Dog Crystal kits. And you still see the effects of the cat eyes underneath. And then add it more. Add some more. Alright, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. Let me know if that's, any tutorial you would like to see as well. Because we did the 3D flowers using 40 gels yesterday. So if you missed it, you can watch them from our IGTV. Also, if you haven't seen any videos that we haven't done and then you love to see it, let me know. Alright, we can definitely do the tutorial for it. It looks really cool and it's weird though.
How?
All right, so happy with this. We'll go into Kia for 60 seconds.